Hey everyone, welcome to all of you after a long time. And in this video, we will answer all of Welocalize edge quality and search quality raters. So please watch this video, and we will answer, and also we will explain with example. So please watch till end. So first questions is for the query penalizations. English uses which of the following results should be rated false to meet. Select all that apply. Means that below four questions uh, will be false to meet. So we have to select which sentence it fails to meet. If yes, then select true. If false to meet not, then select false. So first up, a list of community piano school in the US. It is false because this result is relevant and provides valuable information regarding piano lesson. So it will be false. So we select this false. Second question, a result with information on rates for belt and modern dance classes. This is true. This is unrelated to the query about piano lessons and does not meet the user's need. So this is the true because uh, it is false to meet and it is not about query piano lessons. So third questions are results about piano department of well-known music school. This is fair. This could provide relevant information about piano lessons depending on the context. So it is false. And fourth question, an article with recommendations on the best age for children to start taking piano lessons. So it is false. Uh, because this is related penalizations and provide potential helpful information. So guys understood means for query penalizations. For example, any users are searching any questions and then results is front and then we have to rate it fails to meet, so we have to give exam very carefully. So it is not hard, it is very easy. Okay, and we will go to next second questions. Which of the following is true? Select all that apply. And first sentence, a satisfying good A satisfied good complete result for a broad information query can be fully met. It is true or false. So it is false. A broad information query typically cannot achieve a fully met rating because they often have multiple potential answers. So it is a false. Second question, for a no simple query, the result must directly display the answer to achieve a fully meets rating. For a no simple query, fully meets rating can be given a result does not display answer but is at all the very top of the landing page. So as I said, second is the false. Third sentence, a common interpretation for a non-visit in person entire query can have a fully met rating. It is true because if the query and result perfectly satisfy the user's needs without requiring further action, it can achieve a fully met rating. Okay, and fourth sentence, for a result to get a fully meets rating, the query and user need must be specific, clear, and unambiguous. It is true because a fully meets rating requires the query to have to clear and specific intent, and the result must certify that intent completely. So it is true. So this type you have to give answers. We will all cover a full course. So please subscribe my channel.